My dear students, how are you? I hope everybody is good physically and mentally. Today in your class 8 English class, I will discuss about the chapter suffix and prefix. In the meantime, I hope all of you have been acquainted with the chapter, the term suffix and prefix. You have already understood what is called suffix and what is called prefix. So, in your exam, you will get a question where you will have to answer and you have to make 10 meaningful words. That is called the root word. You will be given the root word and 10 root words, and after joining suffix and prefix, there will be full meaningful words, and the words will make the sense of the sentence. Okay, look at the board. I have written the whole passage for you. Trees are a gap use. To man in many ways it is big gap possible to build our homes, furniture, etc. Without trees. Trees save us from flood and other sea gap nature calamities. It de-gap strength the soil. If we cut trees in long gap discriminately, there will be ecological F gap balance. So, tree G-gap plant program should be extended for a better S-gap happy, healthy I-gap life, and last one J-gap is environment. You can see that if you can use suffix and prefix properly or appropriately with the root word, then the full meaning of the sentence will come out. Okay. Now, let us try to make answer of the 10 meaningful words. There is a clue for you. Whenever you will go to set the answer, at first you must read the first line, next second line and third line. Without reading the full line, you cannot make out the main meaningful word. So, let us try to answer all the 10 words. At first number A, use. Trees are used. You can see the word root word is use. So, we can use here a suffix ful, full, that is useful. So, the answer will be useful. Okay, useful. Number B. Okay, one answer is ready. We have used full suffix with the root word use. So, the meaning of the line is trees are useful to man. So, we have clearly made the meaning of the full sentence. Number B gap, it is possible to build our houses. You can see that if you can join a prefix before the root word, there will be meaningful word, that is impossible. So, you have to use im prefix, im, P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. So, there will naturally has made a meaningful word impossible. So, the meaning of the line is also clear. It is impossible to build our homes, furniture without trees. Number C gap, trees save us from flood and other nature. Okay, I think nature joke L, natural. So, if you can add a suffix L, then the meaning of the word will be clear, that is natural. Okay, so nature plus AL, the suffix is AL, natural. So, what will be the meaning? Look at the board. Trees save us from flood and other natural calamities. Full stop. So, the line meaning of the line is clear. Next, It D-gap strength the soil, full stop. So, I think if you can add a suffix after the root word en, the suffix will be en, then the meaningful sentence will be made. Now, the non-gap strength. You can notice here that the subject of the sentence is it. All of you might know that it is always third person singular number. That's why after the var there will be an s with the suffix en. Okay, the intelligent student should always be careful. Strengthens, because I have added here as because of it. You know that it is always third person singular number in present tense. So, it strengthens, okay, the soil. The meaningful line has been made. Next, if we cut trees in non-gap discriminately, I think if I can add a prefix here, the meaning of the word will be clear. That is in. In prefix will be added here. Look at here, number E, answer in. I have added here indiscriminately. Discriminately. Okay. So, what is the prefix here? Indiscriminately. I think all of you know the meaning of the word. So, the line of the meaning of the full line is clear also. If we cut trees indiscriminately, there will be ecological. Okay. Next, F gap balance. I think there will be also added a prefix to make a meaningful word, that is imbalance. You can add here imbalance. I am okay. So, here I have made the meaningful word with the use of prefix imbalance. So, the meaning of the line also clear. There will be ecological imbalance. Next, so tree genome gap plant program should be extended for a better. Okay. So, tree plantation. I have to add here. Shan suffix. Plant jok tin shan. Look at the answer. Plantation. Here the suffix is tin shan. Okay. Nong G tree plantation program should be extended for a better. You can notice here there is a comparative degree better, which has derived from the word good. So, in the next word I should also use the comparative degree of the word happy, that will be happier. Number H. Okay, I have made the meaningful word happier with the help of year suffix. Next, Ainong answer. Healthy life. You can also notice that as there is a comparative degree, next we have built up a comparative degree, next also there will be comparative degree, that will be healthier. Now I answer. Okay. You can notice the word, especially with the help of IR, I have made the new word healthier. Okay. Last one, that is and peace. I can use here full suffix with the root word peace. Peaceful. Okay. The suffix is full. Peace plus full. Peaceful. So, I have made the answer clear. Look at the board again. So, tree plantation program should be extended for a better, happier, healthier life and peaceful environment. I think all of you have understood the 10 meaningful words in which place I used what suffix or what prefix. With the use of suffix and prefix, you can make a meaningful new words which will have proper meaning, and this meaning will make the sense of the whole sentence. Okay. Okay, write it down from the board. If you have any difficulties or problem, you can note it down. You can call me, or you can note it, and after the opening of the school, you can show me. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.